Hello guys, I'm Paulo Brizania from the Liceo de Cagayan University for our school project. So as part of our project on local arts and culture, I had the opportunity to interview Ma'am Kelly Ramos, a talented local artist known for their unique style and creative expression. In this interview, we discussed their journey, inspirations, challenges, and contributions to the community. So ready ka na ba, ma'am?
Sure.
Ready na siya. Okay, let's go! Can you tell us a bit about yourself and how your journey as an artist began?
Okay, so I am Kelly Ramos. I am an artist, and then I started painting as a bata pa nga, nagdula-dula lang, and then my mom enrolled me in Saturday art classes until I started joining art contests. So una ko nang daghan mga art contests para sa bata din sa Cagayan de Oro, and then pero may kong gadaog, so daghan kayo kong kwarta, 100 pesos.
Okay na siya, pangkuhan.
For an 11-year-old in the 1980s, dapat na kayo ng 300 pesos. So afterwards, nagsulod ko sa University of the Philippines College of Fine Arts, and then I actually didn't finish the course, but I reached until this year, mga fourth year, first semester, and then I dropped out because I had a kid.
That's a thing.
And then, but I was very active in the arts. Kay gabalin-balin man mi, Manawag, Pangasinan, Manila, Quezon City, and then Baguio, Cagayan de Oro. So wherever I was active in the local arts. So that's my journey.
Wow, grabe ha? So dami ginagalan si ma'am to think na an 11-year-old daog permit sa kuhan sa contest. Okay, wow, that's a very nice journey you had. Okay, next question. When someone views your work, is there a message or feeling you hope they take away from it?
Like I said, no, lain-lain ang akong message or medium, pero it's always like with the intent to inspire people to push the boundaries of their own creativity. Like kung tanaw sila o artwork na ako, ganahan ko nga, ay pwede din siya, or ganahan sad ko mag-explore o gingani, something like that. Like, yeah, to inspire others to create also.
Like go ka sa mga new things from what?
Yeah,
something. Okay, next. What challenges have you faced as a local artist, and how have you overcome them?
As a local artist from the regions, because in the Philippines, ang art has always been Manila-centric. Just like actually anything in the Philippines, ang economy nato, murag mas dagan of material sa Manila. If you're an artist, the jobs are out there. And then, if you're here, especially atong when I was a young artist, wala kayo opportunities. But you know, if you're an artist, you just create. Wherever there are opportunities or not. So, I guess did that answer the.
Like you have to go to the
I don't know. There's like this drive to create all the time.
Passion,
Yes, you could call it that.
Passion. So you heard it, guys. Talaga. So next question, ma'am. What advice would you give to young or aspiring artists in our area? Or dili lang sa area, ma'am, sa tanan din na ko.
Okay. Basta young artists.
Yes.
Kapangitaw advice. Padayon lang. Oh, great. Like I said, if that spark is in you, then padayon. Diba? And then, it's also important yun, like your previous question niya, mag-engage with the local community. Kay, naman itong days nga ang artist, katong kana idea sa artist na loner, diba? Murag the genius nga kanang in his kaning the talented genius na siya ragyod, maayo kay siya, so di siya maka with other people. Naman na, karon kay the artist engages with the community, and even ang atong mga message sometimes sa art would be in response or in kaning solidarity with the community and things that are happening around us, with the environment and issues. Okay.
Yes. Okay guys, so you heard it guys. The young artist ay give up, di ba ma'am? Ay ko as what ma'am said. Basta maminaw lagi mong tarong. So, okay ma'am, thank you sa mga kon ma'am, interview ma'am. So, this interview gave us, not just me, us, all of us, a deeper appreciation for the dedication and creativity behind the local artists. It reminded me that art is not just about skill, but also about passion, connection, and personal expression. I'm grateful for the chance to learn from you, ma'am, and also to our audience. It's also Sir Joe Bacos. Special mention. Okay, so.
Joe Bacos.
Okay, so thank you, ma'am. Thank you, kayo. Thank you very much. Dili ko ay basta-basta ang artwork. Okay, so thank you, ma'am, sa pag-show sa mga siniko.
Anytime.
Pasingkot sa di mo. Pasingkot pa di mo mga pot sa di mo sad. Thank you, ma'am.